Obsidian is, I guess it's sort of it's a color and it's a finish, but it's also a mood. I think the color is very emotional. For something that's just sort of a dark, almost near black, it has a personality of its own that's very luxurious. You can really tell when you look at it up close that it has a metallic sheen, and that just kind of emphasizes that premium velvety quality that you would get over a traditional everyday black. We wanted to be really special, and we know that we have a really special product, so we wanted to take it to the next level. Let's do a little research here. Let's kind of flesh out this story and make this really meaningful. If we put a black backdrop, essentially, everything that you put inside of it is going to look really beautiful, really enticing. It's going to showcase your food. So we thought, well, let's look at this in two ways. One way is when you open the doors up when the refrigerator doesn't have anything in it, you should be wowed. The other thing is you should open it up when it has a bunch of food in it, and it should be presenting itself to you. That food should be showcased. You know, you look at old Dutch paintings and the background is really dark and the flowers are coming to life in a really beautiful way. And we thought that was really artistic and elegant. There were a couple of images that really resonated with me as how I wanted you to feel when you saw this interior. It's a woman in a large brimmed black hat, and it's sort of covering up her eyes. And there was this level of just kind of mystery and confidence. And that's another thing that we've felt when we think about dark colors in general. They're always typically a little bit mysterious and they're sleek, and that's just the nature of black. Everybody that opened up the refrigerator was immediately, wow, I want this. The nice thing about what we're bringing to the table here is solid performance, meaningful features, and giving you that extra layer of exclusivity and ownership that you deserve when you're buying a product of this caliber.